bothers the heck out of me. Oh my god. One of the key elements for spring, it is what's up mi gente, and welcome back to my channel. Spring's in the air, spring is here. If you love home decor, if you love to decorating for spring and I want to be inspired, then this video is gonna be for you. Let's get this party started. I am very excited for this collaboration with SONGMICS Home. Now this brand not only offers things for just the living room, bedroom, just for inside the house. No, they do things for outdoors, for your pet, home organization, to organize your jewelry, for your cosmetics, beautiful console tables, centerpieces. I mean, they're sleek, they're elegant, and they're timeless.
Wow.
I like the simplicity and the aesthetics of the brand. It is almost like a little masculine, which is fantastic. It is this desk that looks like a desk, but it's not a desk. It is a bar table with stools. It is multi-purpose. I'm using it for my podcast. I don't have a podcast, but I'm pretending that I do.
No podcast.
So if you have a podcast or have a YouTube channel and you like to do product reviews, that works for that. When I got it, I was like, oh my god, this would be fantastic with my microphone, my iPad. I have a table downstairs that is actually made out of real wood, and it bothers the heck out of me. You know why? Because I don't like unfinished wood. I put my hands in it and I itch and it makes me scratch.
Scratch.
This table, it is finished. It has like a beautiful sheen and it's not shiny, but it feels super soft, very sleek. The metal, it feels very substantial.
Summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late.
If you don't have a kitchen island, you can put it right in the center and you can entertain right in there. If you spill something, it's very easy to clean. You can use it on a study, in your office. I also use it on my loft area by the stairs and it looks fantastic. For spring, one of the key elements for spring, it is lanterns, candles, shabby chic rugs, especially on that vanilla color. Looks beautiful. Ferns, hydrangeas, sunflowers. Now with this table, it is masculine looking, honestly, which is great. If you're a guy, you're watching this video, you don't have to be an expert on decorating. Get this table, get a fern, and it looks elegant and masculine, and it looks absolutely beautiful. If you want to elevate whatever table you want to do for spring, again, candles are very important. I love to decorate with vanilla colors, cream, beige. I think it's just very... That's what it is. Just a fern, you can put it on as a centerpiece. You can have your candle, put a picture frame on the side, and it looks great. If it's for the office, put the frame on the side, the candle, you have your computer here, easy. You have your coffee. Where's my coffee? Voila, that's it. For cars, game night. Perfect. So I'm taking like a little pause on this video because my battery died. Oh my god, like darn it. So I'm here on my iPhone. I'm sorry about that. And look at how much space I have that I can go behind it very easily. Here are the two bar stools. They're phenomenal. Like I was saying before, one can go on this side, the other one can go right here, and I can actually have a conversation with two people if you want it that way. What about a coffee shop? All of this talk and I forgot about coffee. So you can actually use this for your Keurig, your coffee maker, and just use it as a coffee bar. Why not? You can do unlimited, a lot of things with this. This is a table that I'm gonna keep for, I think, the rest of my life. And I'm doing actually the measurements right now on the screen so you can have a better idea on the dimensions of it, so you can see if it fits your space. Now that I put it up, I was like, oh my god, I was needing that piece. When you go up the stairs, everybody, please remove your shoes. I'm a germaphobe. Hang your coats, hang your jackets, your hats, your handbag. It still looks good. I add like a little wreath just to give like a little cutesy moment. It can go modern, it can go farm chic, it can go a little more rustic. I think it transitions with anything. Also on the whole tree, it comes with the hooks, so you don't have to even get the hooks separate. Everything comes with it. So you can actually, again, hang your umbrellas, your coats, and it is, again, very substantial. I had no idea that I needed that piece until I put it up. I'm like, ooh, that's great. Amazing. So I am always a sucker for a good brush gold. There's something about it that is just very elegant, again, very sophisticated, and it goes with any type of decor. So here, when you open the page, you can see that round table and that console table. I mean, that's totally my style. I think it's just very cute, very, very nice, very sleek. I don't like chunky pieces. I don't like heavy metals. And I like the thin detail on the metal. Fantastic. So that round coffee table, it is $149.98 right now on their website. It's a round glass coffee table. I have a very similar one downstairs and I paid double the price. Now I'm upset.
He's pretty upset.
Upset.
I'm upset. I pay way more money and it's exactly the same dimensions. And this brand is amazing. Like, I wish I would have discovered this brand before. Anyways, things happen. It's okay. So even they have like racks to hang your clothes. They have every type of console table. If you notice the aesthetics, they deal with a lot of brown, a lot of metals. It never goes out of style. I think it's just great. In the home office tab, they got a lot of things for the office. Great pieces. Very sleek. Oh, I love that bookshelf. Oh my gosh, look at that 7-piece patio sofa set for $8.92. That's not bad. Look at the blue one. Love that. They have hangers. They have actual like mobile closets for your wardrobe, box for your jewelry, sofas, ottomans, shelves. They have for literally everyone in your family. For your kids, for yourself, and your furry pets.
Pets are called pets because you pet them.
So I'm very glad that I discovered it. So for spring, you can just get 1 or 2 pieces, get a nice floral arrangement, get a wreath, another rug, get some pieces from SONGMICS Home, and you're done. Easy breezy. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found some inspiration on this video. And again, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Just leave the comments right there below. It's easy. And if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. And if you're still watching this video, and you're hearing me, it's easy to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Enjoy your cocktail, enjoy your coffee, and keep loving, spread love, and enjoy spring. Alright, love you all. Ciao. By the way, I need to order something for my cosmetics. So let's see.